Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to check transaction history on TrustWallet. So to check your transaction history on TrustWallet, you follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up your TrustWallet application and then log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, you should be able to see something like this. Now there isn't a transaction section for the application or the asset itself. However, to check your transaction history, you need to go with a specific cryptocurrency or the asset. Now let's say I'm gonna go ahead and check with my Ethereum, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and right on this page you should be able to see your transaction history. As you can see, the mentioned transaction will appear right over here, so you should be able to find it on this page. Similarly, if you want to view for another asset, you have to go and look for the asset, and then you need to tap on it, and you should be able to find the transaction history on this particular page. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.